Hi, do you know USA has absolute cost advantage over India in producing high-tech goods, but India has absolute cost advantage over USA in producing low labor cost goods. But what is absolute cost advantage? Absolute cost advantage is the ability of country to producing goods by using less resources as compared to other. According to this theory, countries should increase production and export of those goods in which they have absolute cost advantage and reduce production and increase import of those goods in which they don't have any absolute cost advantage. Before and after trade comparison. Before trade, India was producing more low labor cost goods but less high-tech goods. Obviously, India has absolute cost advantage on low labor cost goods, not on high-tech goods. Similar, before trade, USA was producing less low labor cost goods but more high-tech goods because USA has absolute cost advantage in high-tech goods. Before trade, total production of low labor cost goods is 25 and before trade, high-tech goods production is 30. Now we will see situation after trade. After trade, India stopped doing production of high-tech goods and start importing high-tech goods from USA and double their resources on low labor cost goods. That's why their production become double. Similar, after trade, USA stopped doing production of low labor cost goods and start importing low labor cost goods from India and double their resources on high-tech goods. That's why their production become double. So here you can see after trade, total production of low labor cost goods is 40, which is more as compared to before trade. Similar, after trade, total production of high-tech goods is 40, which is more as compared to before trade. So after trade, both country will be benefited according to absolute cost advantage.